Acharya, the teacher of the Pandavas and Kauravas, the Pandav princes Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev, Duryodhan, Dushasan and other Kaurav princes. Dronacharya to all the princes.
Today I am going to give you a test in order to find out who is the most skillful among you. What's the test, sir? I have put a clay bird in the tree. You have to shoot in the eye. Can you all do it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yudhishthira, come and shoot the bird. Before shooting, answer my question. What can you see? Sir, I can see the tree, the branch and the bird. You can't shoot the bird. Put the arrow in your bow and take your seat. Duryodhan, it's your turn. What can you see? I can see the blue sky behind the tree and bird. I can see the leaves moving. You won't be able to shoot the bird. Bhim, it's your turn now. Tell me what you can see.
I can see fruits on the tree, the leaves and the bird on one of the branches of the tree.
Don't shoot.
In this way, Dronacharya calls the princes one by one. But he was not satisfied with their answers. Finally, Dronacharya called Arjun.
Tell me, what can you see, Arjun? I can see only the eye of the bird. Can't you see anything else? No, sir. All I can see is the bird's eye and nothing else. Very good, Arjun. Shoot. Arjun shoots and his arrow hits the bird's eye. All are amazed at Arjun's skill.
Dronacharya to all the princes.
Arjun was successful because of his deep concentration. Remember, always be focused towards your goal in order to be successful.